Hi, it's Julie from Carlos Custom Landscaping, and today we're doing a pretty major installation here for this Scotts Hill community. And what we're planting today is a lot of perennials that'll come back year after year to give them color. We have some white creeping thyme, some salvia, some beautiful yellow chick seed, and behind that we'll have rudbeckias. In the center of this island, we're putting giant nepetas for tall color. And then behind those, I have some red potentillas. Potentillas look like strawberries when you look at the flowers. But no, it's a red flower that's native to Missouri. And down here is Carlos. Carlos, say hi. Say hi. And we're just doing the same planting on the other end of the island. So this is a major installation for us here at the Scotts Hill community, and we're really excited to see how it all turns out once we put the mulch in. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and have a great day.